Looking to boost your income without leaving the comfort of your home in 2024? Explore the world of print on demand, where artists and influencers turn designs into cash with custom products. Ever wondered if your blog could be more than just a hobby? In today's video, we're delving into 5 lucrative strategies that not only offer financial gains, but also allow you to harness the power of the digital world. Whether you're a creative looking to monetize your skills or someone seeking additional income streams, these online ventures can transform your financial outlook. Let's explore 5 legit ways to make money online from the convenience of your home. 1. Sell print-on-demand products. Diving into the world of making money online, let's explore the fascinating realm of print-on-demand, POD. It's like an online canvas waiting for your creative touch, especially if you're an artist or influencer. Platforms such as Printful or Printify offer you the chance to showcase your designs on various items like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. No need to worry about stocking inventory. When someone places an order, the POD company takes care of everything, from printing your design to shipping it out, while you sit back and earn some cash. It's like having your own virtual art studio, open 24/7. Getting started with POD is a breeze. Spend just a few hours setting up your online store and linking it with a POD service. If you've already got some awesome designs ready to go, even better. Once you make a sale, get ready to experience the excitement of receiving your first payment, usually within about 5 days. It's like waiting for a surprise gift to arrive at your doorstep. Make sure to explore different POD companies to find the one that fits your style and needs. Consider factors like pricing, quality, and product variety. Also, keep in mind that some platforms might have age restrictions for sellers, so it's not just about the money, it's about sharing your creativity with the world and having a blast while doing it. 2. Monetize a blog. Monetizing a blog is like unlocking the treasure chest of potential hidden within the digital landscape. Blogs, often considered mere tools for attracting visitors, hold the untapped power to emerge as standalone moneymakers. This transformation involves navigating through various avenues such as strategically placed ads, weaving in affiliate links, collaborating on sponsored posts, and even venturing into the world of selling unique merchandise. For those already immersed in the blogging realm, this presents an opportunity to convert a passion project into a steady source of income, all from the comfort of one's home. It's important to note that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it calls for a decent initial effort and a sustained commitment for enduring success. The initiation of a blog doesn't demand an eternity. In fact, it merely takes a few hours to set up the digital groundwork. While the effort to kickstart the blog may be moderate, the key to keeping the momentum alive lies in maintaining a consistent rhythm. The timing of the first payment depends on the chosen monetization method, adding a layer of anticipation to the process. As you tread this path, SEO skills become reliable companions, aiding in driving traffic to your digital haven. The wise move is to select a niche where your unique voice not only resonates, but also adds a distinctive touch, making your blog a captivating destination for enthusiasts. It's more than just pixels and words on a screen. It's about turning your passion into a tangible digital income, requiring dedication and a sprinkle of creativity. 3. Sell digital products. If you're someone who loves being creative, selling digital stuff can be a really neat way to earn money online without too much hassle. It's like having your own little shop where you can sell all sorts of digital goodies like guides, ebooks, music samples, or tutorials. Musicians and artists can totally get in on this to show off their talents. What's cool is that you can sell the same digital thing over and over again, so there's no limit to how much you can make. Getting started with selling digital stuff is pretty quick, just a couple of hours once you've made your digital thing. But I won't lie, putting in some effort is needed, especially if you want more people to buy your stuff. After you've sold something, it's like waiting for your first paycheck, around 5 days. If you're thinking about selling licensed stuff, maybe chat with someone who knows about that legal stuff. And don't forget, you'll need a little online shop space to get your digital goodies out into the world. It's not just about making money, It's about sharing your awesome creations and making a bit of cash along the way. 4. Become a reseller. Making money online doesn't always have to involve creating something from scratch. Reselling existing products is a straightforward way to dive into the world of online income, and there are different paths you can take. You might dive into the world of vintage items, buying and reselling cool stuff, or you could become a certified distributor for a brand, selling their products in a specific area. The cool part is, you're dealing with existing products, so you don't have to create anything new. And if you're looking for a lower risk option, there's always dropshipping, where you don't have to keep inventory on hand. Getting started with reselling isn't a long process. It depends on what you're planning to sell. And the effort to start is pretty low to medium. You don't have to invent anything, just find the right products. After you've sold something, it's like waiting for your first paycheck, usually around 5 days. Finding brands to resell can be done by checking out wholesale directories or platforms like AliExpress for trendy products. It's not just about selling things. It's about finding cool products that people want and getting them into the hands of those who'll appreciate them. Try affiliate marketing. In the world of making money online, there's this cool thing called affiliate marketing. It's like being a digital matchmaker. You share links from brands that want to sell stuff, and when people buy through your special link, you get a pat on the back, or more like a commission. If you're someone who's into marketing, blogging, or creating content with your own audience, this can be a great way to make some extra cash without doing a ton of extra work. It's like having a little sidekick that brings in money while you do your thing. Getting into affiliate marketing doesn't take forever, just a couple of hours to sign up for programs. At the start, you might need to put in a bit of effort to set things up, but once it's rolling, it's like cruise control. The first paycheck time can vary, depending on how many people click your links and actually buy stuff. And just a heads up, if you're getting paid to talk about a product, it's good to let people know with a disclaimer. Having a website, blog, or some kind of social media presence is like having your own stage to showcase the products you believe in, and maybe earn a little something on the side. It's not just about making money. It's about connecting people with awesome products and getting a thumbs up for doing it. In conclusion, the landscape of online opportunities for making money from home in 2024 is diverse and promising. Whether you're a creative, blogger, or someone looking for additional income streams, these legitimate ways can transform your financial outlook. From print on demand and blogging to selling digital products, reselling, and affiliate marketing, each avenue offers a unique path to online success. If you found this exploration of online income strategies informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this journey of financial empowerment in the digital age. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.